What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Chewy and Lemonade. This was a request from one of the viewers, so thank you for a donation. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So what I noticed about this stock is that we're pretty much trending downwards inside of this channel right here. So I see that this channel is in play right now. Prices are making lower lows, lower highs, and we're pretty much just selling off. So where is prices going? Because it does not move randomly, we're gonna have to do some measured moves. So, or look at some strong support coming up. So this is the first measured move right here, and then this was the second one right here, since the market moves in twos, and it's pretty much a perfect measured move. So since we had one large move down and then two legs up, that's pretty much the center of the pattern. So then if I just make a measurement of this leg right here and I drag it up to that arrow, since it's the center of the pattern, this will tell me where prices are going next. And it looks like prices are trying to reach that $42 level or the $41 level. So I'll put a horizontal line right there. And there's a high probability that prices will reach this level unless something changes. But this is where it looks like prices are trying to go to. That's why we're trending lower and lower. And we just gotta wait to see if this target will be reached. If I just zoom out on the chart, this is a recent IPO company, so I don't like to buy companies that are recently IPO'd. Well, it's been about 2 years, but still, I like to see more companies that have a longer history, right? So 2 years is okay, you know, at least it's not a year or anything, but that's not bad. Anyway, yeah, it looks like we're trying to trend down back to this level right here, this $42 level. It's just pretty much taken back all its 2020 gains. That's just how the market works. There's pretty much this uptrend up and then a blow off top. I'll show you guys that on the weekly, and then we're just pretty much taking back all the gains that people made here, or people who already made gains are just taking their profits. So it looks like we're just trending back down, and this is all I see on the daily chart. So let's go ahead and take a look on the weekly chart. So as I said, on the daily chart, we're pretty much in a downtrend. We're making lower lows, lower highs, and we're just selling off, and it looks like we're trying to reach that measured move target right around that $42 level. So previously there was this uptrend in play, but now since we had the kind of like an overshoot, or like they call it a blow off top, we're just selling off. So anytime the price gets too far away from the EMA, or even it pushes outside the channel like this, usually we won't get a retest of these highs or a new one. So this is pretty much the climax point, and now we're just selling off. And since the market moves in twos, this is what I expect to happen, something like this. So right back down to that $40 target. So that's pretty much all I see for this stock. So let's go ahead and take a look at Lemonade. And also, guys, if you leave a chart analysis request, please just leave one chart. I'm getting a couple requests, but just leave one next time, please. And also, you gotta put the company name and the ticker symbol. So this viewer just left the company name, and I'm not sure which exchange it is on, but I'm just assuming it's the New York Stock Exchange. That's just the most popular. So if you don't specify which exchange it's on or the exact ticker symbol, then I'll just generalize and assume it will be on the New York Stock Exchange. So this is Lemonade, and it's just pretty much the same as the other stock, a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs. So we're getting rejected by this trend line right here, and if I drag it down, it's a perfect fit on the bottom. So this channel is definitely in play. So where are prices going here? So I'm gonna have to use a measured move again. So it looks like prices made this leg down right here, and then there was a small little two-legged correction. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in a little more, and then you can see it. So as you can see, prices went up right here with this arrow, and then we went down, and that was the center of that pattern, and then we went up again. So that's a two-legged correction. So if I just drag this measured move down now, the larger one for the first leg, looks like prices are trying to reach, let me just make sure that's right on top of that. So it looks like it's trying to reach that $35 target, or 34. So it's pretty low. It's the lowest price target, lowest price this stock would be trading at. Again, this is a recent IPO, so it's just pretty much taking back all this 2020 gains. It's just pretty much the same as a previous stock where we had that climax up, and then we're just taking back all the gains that it made. People who usually, when we just shoot up like this, a straight line, kind of like a bubble, prices usually come back right to where it started, and you can see that's exactly what happened. We had this huge move up and the price came back right where it started. That's usually happens 90% of the time. You can just look up any chart that goes up straight and then it starts coming back down. It usually comes back down to right where it started, and that's exactly what happened. So we just got a little bounce, but we're finding resistance. Prices are still making lower lows, lower highs, so that we're in a downtrend. Prices are getting rejected by the EMA, and so that's not a good sign. So where are prices going next? It's probably going to reach this $46 target, because that looks like the all-time lows for this company. But the measure move shows me that we're going to reach that $34, $35 target. So I'm going to stick with the measure move until anything changes. But that's pretty much what I see on the daily chart for this company. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So it looks like on the weekly chart we have some support right here, right around this $46 target. Like I said again, pretty much prices just went straight up, got super extended from the EMA and just started selling off, just taking back all the gains that it made, and it came back right to where it started. So right now it looks like prices, I can almost guarantee, 99% sure, I'm pretty sure it's gonna stop out this person right here. So it looks like it's gonna break the $58 target, just because this stop loss is right here for this move up. People who are swing trading or long-term investors, they have the stop loss right above this candle right here. They get out if they were wrong, so this is where you want to get out, at the swings. So it looks like prices are targeting this level right here. So I'm pretty sure it's going to reach this $58 target. I'm pretty sure it's also not going to stop there unless anything changes, but I think it's going to go lower, probably to the $49 target first, and then even that measure move lower. I believe, I forgot what it was, $34 or $35 target. So that's pretty much all I see for this company. So both of them are going lower. If the viewer would like to purchase shares, I mean, you saw my targets. You could be more patient, maybe wait for those. That's pretty much all I see for these companies. So if you have any more questions, just drop it down in the comments and I'll answer it within 24 hours. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.